What is up? What is going on? This is What's for Dinner. And I'm Drew. What's going on, everybody? Tonight for dinner, of course, I'm making Nathan's hot dogs, and I'm using, Nathan's chili dogs. I'm using Nathan's bun length Franks, and then I'm using Hormel chili, and you can use the one with beans. This one's without beans, and actually I get this can because it's a little bit more economical. I have some just diced up white onion, and I have some cheap hot dog buns. If you've ever watched any of my videos before, you know I believe they're called the Sunny buns, like the sun, but yeah, store's running low. And I typically use sharp cheddar. I'm just using this tonight. And also I'm going to use some Plouchman's mustard and some spicy brown Golden's mustard. So stick around. I'm going to get my pan heated up with some water. We'll be right back. Okay, I just have a little bit of canola oil and water, of course, and I've put some kosher salt in there to help the boiling process. I'm going to crank these back up and just let them boil for a few minutes. The difference between the Nathan's and like a Hebrew National hot dog compared to another hot dog is they're pickled in garlic, and that makes a big difference. You can do this in whatever type of pot that you want. I'm choosing this because I'm going to sear the hot dogs when I'm done boiling them, which they've been going for a couple of minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and drain them. I wish I had a hot dog steamer for this reason. I've been grilling these with the water drained for a couple minutes, but I want to get them, some marks on there. And then in this pot, I've got a little canola oil wiped around the edges with the Hormel chili. And since I don't have a hot dog steamer, I'm going to use a little bit. Here. Grab my buns. And I've got a little squeeze bottle of water. I'm going to grab my lid. And that's how I'm going to steam them. So let it go for a minute. Okay, so we have our steamed hot dogs. And I'm just going to put a line of the spicy mustard basically going on in the inside. You think with all these videos I make, you think I'd be more prepared. Here we go.
What's going on with our Hormel? No chili? No chili. No bean.
And I have my broiler on the oven going. I like to put my onions on top of the cheese. I don't want the cheese to burn too much. And this is a pie pan. You can use a baking sheet, doesn't really matter. I just use these out of convenience. I like a lot of onion, so. Okay, now I'm going to get the broiler going and pop them in the oven. Okay, for the first one, I'm just going to do the Plouchmans. And then for nostalgic purposes, I'm going to go with some sriracha on the other one. Let's see if we can't. Oh, Mr. Creepy Face Cam guy. Please like, share. Also, please remember to subscribe if you haven't already. We appreciate everybody out there that watches and listens. Check us out on the Apple Podcast app. Also, Instagram, Shop Talk, shop_talk_podcast.